Hello and welcome in Winterkasten. My name is Ruven Schwab and I'm responsible for the sales of the tools. And on my side is Marius.
Yes, also from my side, hello. My name is Marius Matuszkiewicz. I am responsible for developing part by tools by DATRON and also for the product management of the tools. And today I want to talk about a little bit the construction and the main point of developing tools and which key points we have there.
And also we talk about some points about the packaging and some benefits for our OEM customers. So it will be interesting. Yeah, Marius. When we want to create a new tool, where we have to start?
So the first points we want to look about it is what our customers said to us, which points are coming back from the customers, from the man who stand in front of the machine. Also from the sales guys, what did they tell us, what are the problems of the customers that we have to fix with a new solution of a tool. So that is the first point we want to look about it. After that, if we have a specification for a special material or a special operation for something else, then we go in the construction. So we have a program that we can create a 3D model, a 3D simulation to set up all right angles or lengths and so on. And yes, that I can also show you now.
So at the beginning of the construction of these tools, we start with a normal raw material, and after that we just set up the grinding operations. Here on this example, we just have a standard single flue ball nose end mill, and every color you can see is based on just one operation. So that means that we construct the tool by these operations and also set up the performance of the tool. Also, we can take care that we get no problems with some details or with the surfaces to guarantee the performance of the tool in the cutting process.
So thank you for the introduction. The second step or the next step for the tool is the material.
Yeah. So that is, the right material is, or the right choice of the material is very important. But there you have to look in which case of using you have. That means, did you have to work with the special materials, or is a lot of heat in the operation, and then you have to choose the right material for your perfect working. If we take a look on this one, we have just here a normal raw material is like a little bit of a chamfer here on the back side and a plate here on the other side. So that is the normal one. Just that is the point where we are looking for.
Now we have the material, so even we can start to grind our new tool. Yes.
So it is. So I would say let us go to the grinding machine and take a look there.
Perfect.
So with the main material, we are here on the first step of the process, and this is a cylindrical grinding machine. There we working it out the pre-form of the tool. So there we have just two grinding wheels that are set up in 90 degrees together, and we are working it out the pre-form of the tool. So the main point is that we can produce here very precise the form of the tool. So the finishes, we do it on the second machine. This is this one here, and what we are here doing is the finish process. So that means every type of the tool that we can use or that we want to use on the milling process are doing it on this machine. So, and the main points that we have to look on it, that one I want to discuss with my colleague. Okay, before we start the grinding process, so what is the main points we have to look about it on this grinding machine?
Yeah, so one milling tool is influenced by many different elements and many different parameters. So our job is to bring together all these elements in one big milling tool, for example, the flute or clearances.
Okay, and if we take a look on the process themselves, so what is there the main points that we have to look on it this grinding machine?
Yeah, a safe process depends on many things, but especially temperature. That's the main factor that influences our process. It's first the air temperature and second the oil temperature. Yeah? And this influences our milling tool itself and our wheel setup, and all together, all needs to come together to get one milling tool out of that.
Okay, thank you.
So, wow, that was interesting. So after the grinding of the tool, so we have another option for a quality control.
For sure, yeah. So what we have here is an optical measurement system. So there we have the chance to check all tools that we get it from the grinding machine. In the grinding process, we just have, after a lot of tools we make it, we just get one out and control it there, that we have no problem in the grinding process. So the main point is, if the customer needs also a protocol for his production or his documents, also there is no problem to get a protocol for all tools. They get it from us.
Like 100% security.
So it is, yeah.
So yeah, now we have a finished tool. So at the end we want to have a perfect package.
So it is, yeah. So the point before the packaging is the laser engraving. So on the raw material or on the finished tool, on the shaft we write it down the article number, and also the DATRON logo that you can see that is produced by DATRON. After that we have some different packages, and the first one is this one. This is a split pack. If we open it, we can see there are some punks that we can set it in the tools. So by the split pack we just have the chance to clamp 10 finished tools. For some special tools like smaller ones, 0.3 or something like this. So we have just here this one. This is for single ones. So we have here the tool comes inside and clamps after putting up these covers. So, and after that the tool is clamped on this package. And also we have just here the clamping system by these mechanisms. So we put it here on the side, put the tool in and clamp it here, and also have then the cover. Also for every package we have just the label, a special label, so that we can set up also here in Winterkasten, and also individual for all package that we want.
Yeah, thank you. These are our benefits for our OEM customers. So the individual label and the individual engraving.
Yeah, so the point is that our OEM partners have the chance to set up all these points by individual. So that means the laser engraving, the logo on the shaft, the color, and also the packaging by themselves. So these are all individual and can set up by the OEM partner.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, we are on the end from our video. Hope you enjoyed the experience here in Winterkasten, and yeah.
Yes, also from my side, thanks for watching. If you have more questions about these themes or these points we want to explain today, let us know. Write us an email to experience@datron.de, and I would say thank you and goodbye.
Thank you. Bye bye.